Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to repost a story on Instagram. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, it's important to know that you can only repost a story if someone has mentioned you in it. So let's check your chats to see if anyone has mentioned you. Open Instagram and go to your chat. Look for any messages that say someone has mentioned you in their story. If you find one, open it. Here, you will see an option that says Add to your story. Click on it. You will be redirected to your story editor. From here, tap on the forward icon. Now, select whom you want to share the story with. You can choose either Your Story or Close Friends. Then click on Share and then Done. That's it. Your story has been shared. But what if they didn't mention you in their story and you still want to repost it? Here's what you can do. Take a screenshot or screen record while viewing someone's story. Save it on your phone. Before doing this, we recommend you DM them to ask whether they are open to sharing their content with you or not. Once you have their permission, you can repost their story. Go to your story and click on the plus icon. Select the screenshot or screen recording file you saved. Tap here to post it, and that's it. For more interesting videos, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.